Whoa! What was that? That was crazy. It was like giant green lit up in the sky. Alright, I'm back from my epic Colorado adventure. And everybody's been talking about it. It's been flooding in Texas during the 5 days I've been gone. We're about to get some more. Back in Texas, it's definitely raining / flooding. The storm just hit. God bless everyone. Alright, that is the Symphony of Car Alarms from Thunder. Yes, that is Katia. Alright, flash flood warning this area. 12:15. Avoid flood areas. The next 3 hours. Sounds good? Man, it was raining when I got back. It was raining today. I heard it was raining since I've been gone. It's been rain. Lightning's just been going and going. And the storm didn't even show up when they said it was going to show up. Whoa. Look at that, that's going berserk. Wow. I love you too, Mother Nature. That's her way of saying hello, I guess. I've never seen Texas get this much rain. Whoa! What was that? That was crazy. It was like giant green lit up in the sky. Green from the ground. Get my verbiage wrong. Lightning. Whoa! That's a lot of lightning, bro. Alright, Thor. Say, hey, yeah. The thing is, I think it's just going to keep raining for weeks, maybe another month. This ground's going to be so saturated. At what point do we start to worry? Or have flooding plans? Man, we're Texas. We got to lead by example. For all those of you wondering how I'm doing, well, we're not flooded yet. Man, it's been raining. This is non-stop. The weather guys missed this one. I checked the Weather Channel and my buddy Herb at AccuWeather. They didn't mention this storm coming tonight. Whoa!